that way, bro. Why would we ever go to work with that? Wow. No! What happened? Can't go full throttle all the time, bro. I wasn't. Oh, that was a cop. Fuck. You hit a cop? I hit a cop. Man, bro, get it together. How you got hard to hit him instead of... I hit him, but, he stopped doing it anymore. He stopped chasing me and let it push it. That's over. I'm doing 70 years, I'll wait. I started looking back and I quit joining. Yo! Ghost just showed up. What? I said a ghost just showed up.
A few moments later.
So I opened up FiveM, I'm like, PeaceOne? Yeah. I go check online players, I'm like, oh, father. Oh, staff channel. Yeah. Yes, sir, yes, sir. What it do? It's poppin' homies, big one. I'm coming. Oh, fuck. What? Yeah, I just can't get control on my voice chat, bro. Back to the zone. Back to the zone. This nigga AJ got stealing me. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. We're out here driving for real. I can big one. I rebuilt the real traffic, so it's a little bit more heavier. And I just finished fucking fixing the real time light to get that real time. It's a lot more real time. Oh, and your car should load in your garage 1,000 times faster than that. Even faster than before. Way faster. As soon as you get in there, they're right there. What I said about white line. Why are you following me? Because it was so clean, bro. We was in there. It's so much smoother to follow when both people are still. Holy shit. That was crazy. Almost it. Shit. I cheated to it. seen that. If you hadn't, it would have been a problem.
No, if I did it, I would have been a problem.
I said happens. Happens is different. In the English language, anyway. Need repairs. First one over.
How do I bring on manual? Right bumper and B. I forget you're not on the PlayStation controller.
Xbox? Yeah. Xbox?
They connect easier.
20 minutes later.
Let's do that. Your game probably still hasn't hashed some of the things I've done. When you die, you respawn at the closest hospital. And instead of just losing all your items, you drop all your items when you last died.
Yeah, that's how it was last time I was on with you.
Yeah.
I don't know why I got so many burgers.
I think we committed a robbery, a house robbery.
Oh yeah. I got 33 burgers.
Why do I got so much food on me?
I raided their fridge, you took the money.
Look at this thing here, it's probably coughing the parking lot. This guy really in the bike in the rain right now. What are you doing, bro?
It's blue skies.
Really? Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, they're caught. I don't kill him, we're all fucked. Damn, bro. He was gonna shoot one of the gas pumps. No, I was talking to the cop. Yeah, he was gonna shoot one of the gas pumps.
He's gonna shoot us and the guys. We should probably leave them. Well, that's will probably come up.
Yeah, that was a 3-star. There's this guy that's on me too. He was the one giving me a ticket. Oh, that's you! Character looks like a cop. I was really about to be like, alright, let's go, and then it hits you randomly. Well, I saw you throw the C4.
Yo, I forgot about the flame on your bike, bro.
Oh, what's up?
Don't do it too much, you'll crash your game.
How do I do it? I'll do it like
Yeah. Let off like 2 or 3 pops at most.
What's up, AJ? What's up? Show me. Yo, what are you on? What are you riding on, bro? So confident. Hold up, I gotta fix my shit.
Yeah, it damages the engine if you do it too quick, also. Just to stop the spamming of it.
Dude over here on the illegals.
Pow! Pow! Gunshot! Gunshot!
When we found that out the other time, we were crying. That would have to make the sound of 250 cows going off. It was worse last time. You see the sun come out? You see the sun come out? Oh, the sun's out? No, the sun's out, guns out. It's coming out.
No, it screens, it's like, fading into existence.
Look at this, look at these guys! I'm burning them.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, I got headed on.
Yeah, headed on. This man got headed on.
I got headed on. This thing on the super bike. I gotta watch out for it, bro. You got the defibrillator?
I got one on me.
Alright, so we can save him.
Oh, let me... bulletproof.
Well, if you got first aid kits on you?
Be good, bro.
If you take a first aid kit, the order will be enabled now. Slow down there, guy.
The truck came off the off-ramp.
Where are you?
Up ahead. I had the bulletproof.
No, No, I was talking about AJ.
Oh, damn.
You fall off the bike?
Oh, yeah, big guy.
No, you fell off the bike, bro. You went from a bike icon to a dot. I saw it.
We good. Like, you know that video with the Tom's got his friend?
Oh,
Yeah, I did that just now.
yeah. Oh, what happened?
Mustang went all the way from the right to
Oh,
the
no.
left.
So,
The
just
left.
say, yeah, the left.
The left.
All you have to do is Mustang did the left.
Maybe the left.
I'm so terrified about running this thing over right now.
I thought the yellow Corvette was one of you.
No. Oh, my bad.
Oh, shit.
It's the purple Mustang, AJ's gray Mustang. Right.
I'm in a Lambo. This is not
Purple. I'm in Mustang, bro. Mustang.
purple Mustang.
Purple Lambo. I'm in a purple Lambo. He's in the grayish.
Yeah, it's correct. It's correct.
And yeah.
Oh, he on the other side of the rail, bro.
I got cops.
I saw you real quick.
I got cops trying to pull me. Shit out of
Oh, I think you stop him.
No. I'm not pulling over. I am slowing down though. Come on, man.
How did you?
Yeah, I feel like
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I tried not to hit you. My apologies.
my party. Oh, this thing on the right making everyone just break up.
Worst time to laugh.
Oh man.
Really, Gail, why you homie?
Damn it.
Just standing there, what are you doing?
My keyboard fucking up.
At least the cops are stuck in traffic.
Oh my god!
Help him! Help him!
Defense. We need a defense.
Where did that guy come from? There was a random guy in the middle of the road. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Is that the cop?
Yep. I got ran over by a cop car. Oh, the guy in black.
I got pulled over.